So previously we've had Raging Bull 5s and Toro 4s and Grateful 3s. So here we have them, the Air Jordan 3s that are dropping in February. I got them early on the Sneakers app, but I'm at a loss for what we should be calling these things. Let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys would like to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I curate for you guys, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. This pair of sneakers will be available in February, but I got them early on a sneakers drop. They just randomly dropped, and if you were online around 4 o'clock PST, they just dropped, and it was like crazy, and I was like, okay, I'll cop them. However, I will point this out because for those people that are wanting to know, as you can see, this is not the Chicago version. So the Chicago version is going to be dropping in Chicago, I believe, exclusively for All-Star Weekend. But this is not that pair. As you can see, this is just the Nike Air pair. But let's go ahead and show you guys the box first, though. This is the first I've seen this one before. It has the elephant print down the side. And then on a hard line, you have red on the other side with the Jumpman right here. And on the box, it does say Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. Not sure what the SE stands for. I'm guessing special edition. $200 is the price point on the box, though, when it does say Fire Red. Just to point it out, on side of the wrapping paper and the inside, it does say Unite with the Jumpman in the middle. So I think that's what these are going to be called as of right now, the Air Jordan 3 SE Unites or something like that. I don't really know. I don't really love the name of that, but it is what it is. And you can see my lace bags right here. I'm not taking them off quite yet because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be keeping them. That's honestly how I feel about the shoes. You know, it's crazy because I love bull colors of Air Jordans, and especially like a red upper is kind of dope as well. But for some reason, I just don't know why. Maybe it's the color blocking of the way that the shoe came together. I just don't really love the overall colorway. I don't know why. So I just wanted to show you guys a comparison with the Black Cement 3s, which is one of the best colorways in my opinion of all time for the Air Jordan 3s. And then these guys, they just look different. They look odd. I don't know why. You have this exact same treatment on the soles, and then you have the same exact treatment on the midsoles as well, with the white and then a little back section back here of black. Back tab in black with white Nike Air. You have the elephant print around, and then also on the front section here. Both of them also do have gray tongues, and the little back section back here is also gray. The panels next to the laces right here are both gray, and then they both have black for the lace holes, as you can see. The only variance that you really can see is right here. They have black for the lace holes versus the Black Cements have the red. But other than that, at first glance, it's basically a Black Cement except for red instead of black. So if these flop, you could paint the red sections black and you'll have yourself a Black Cement. At least that's the way it looks like as of right now, because the liner and everything else on the inside is exactly the same. I don't think that these are going to sell out, to be 100% honest, if I'm going to be real. Part of the reason why is because the early look of the shoe, it's just not that great of quality. Like, the material is very, very McDonald's. You have your like manufactured tumble leather up here, and then also this, if it's leather even, it doesn't even look like leather, but down here is red. And it just doesn't, I'm going to be honest, it just doesn't look like very good quality, which is kind of unfortunate, because if you had good quality on this colorway, I think it would just absolutely set the tone for the sneaker, and it would be something that people really, really wanted to buy. Good night, Harrison.
Night.
I love you.
Love you.
Have a good night's sleep.
Okay.
Love you. Sweet dreams, honey.
Sweet dreams.
I'll try to join you guys in a minute if I can get done in time, but...
Look, I'm on the guard.
You're crazy. Maybe that's the main reason why I just keep coming back to this and going, gosh, man, it could have been so good, but the quality is just not there, and an Air Jordan 3 is like one of my favorite models. It's not bad quality, but it's not great quality, which is unfortunate, especially when the 5s had really good quality. The 4s were like not as good, and then the 3s are even worse in my opinion. You know, you guys can be the judge when you get them in hand as well, but the Nike Air doesn't do anything for me because it's not, I mean, it's not an OG like colorway, so what's the point really for that? It does add a nice little flair anytime you do see the Nike Air on the back, though. It's just not really true to the original form because it's not an original colorway. My first impressions out of the box, though, are just they're mediocre. It's unfortunate to say that, and I know I'm probably ruining relationships over there at Jordan Brand. I apologize to the folks over there if you even watch these videos and hear me trashing the color blocking, especially if you made them. I feel terrible, but the color red is just too bright. Maybe I don't really know. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, though. What am I crazy? Is it a super dope colorway to you? Maybe I'll change my mind when I put them on feet. I haven't put on feet as of yet. It's just been too dark out. I got home too late to be able to try them on. But maybe I'll be, my mind will be changed when I put them on feet. And if so, I'll add a little scroll over on the text if it actually makes a difference during the on feet section. But what do you guys think? Like, is there something off about them? Am I crazy? But if there is something about them, leave a comment. Let me know what you're struggling with as well as myself. I think that I had high expectations, and that's probably my biggest downfalls. I was really hoping for something dope. I think the Chicago version with the shy on the back is going to go well, only because of the little hype beasts out there that want to have the limited stuff. And if they're only limited to Chicago, then of course they'll probably sell for double retail. But it's literally the same exact shoe. If it had a better quality, then that'd be cool, but I don't see that happening. But the other comment that I'm wanting you guys to help me out with is, what should these be called? The color blocking is interesting. I just don't know what these should be called. Toro 3s, Unity 3s, Jordan 3 SEs, they're not breads. I mean, I don't know what to call these. Honestly, look at these and I'm like, I can't even visualize a cool custom of these. I feel like maybe this would be better if this was black and the only gray on the shoe was the elephant print, and then black around the rest of the shoe, just so it would be more of an accent. So it wasn't as much gray, white, and black. It was more just red and black. I think that would be cooler, but I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just sour still because of Kobe and that whole situation, which has just been crazy. And like, this is actually my first video of me recording a video after what happened. The previous videos, since what happened, I pre-recorded. So that's why, like, I didn't address anything in those videos. It's just trying to schedule my videos ahead of time, because that's what I have to do when I have, family and a job and stuff. But yeah, that whole thing has been crazy. It's been terrible, and it's unfortunate. And I'm not going to make a video on that subject. It's a touchy one for everybody, and it's just a real life tragedy that's just super unfortunate. We'll leave it at that. But anyways, that's the video. Maybe it's the overall mood or whatever, but I'm just not feeling the colorway, unfortunately. It just wasn't executed the way that I would have liked. But that's my personal thoughts. You guys leave your comments in the comment section, and we'll end the video there. Thank you again for stopping by and watching. We'll see you guys for some more sneaker videos very soon. Peace, guys.